is the only sound I know. Across the dashboard where the ghostly shadows go, I'm chasing taillights through the silver curtain of the rain, trying to find a road that doesn't lead to pain. The coffee's cold, the radio is playing low. I got 1,000 miles and nowhere left to go. I see your face in every flickering neon sign, a bit of memory I'm leaving far behind. The engine whispers secrets only I can hear, while the world is sleeping, I am shifting gear. It's not a getaway, it's just a lonely flight between the darkness and the coming morning light. Oh, it's a long, long road on a broken heart tonight, driving on the edge beneath the pale moonlight. No looking back now, let the tires hold and hold, waiting for the peace that never seems to come, just a slide in the smoke, in the blue of the deep, keeping promises that I could never keep. This cathedral of the night, I'm finally found. One hand on the wheel, one hand on the ghost of you, doing the only thing that I know how to do. The asphalt's cutting and the sky is turning gray. The steel and stone, is there a place where I won't feel alone? The road is a fever, the road is a prayer. I'm breathing in the cold electric air. your name. Through other lips I invite them in, but I never let them stay. I draw the curtains, I extinguish the light, because in the dark I can sculpt their faces into yours. They think I'm with them, but I'm just visiting you. Another stranger's hand upon my skin, another empty heart I let walk in. But I keep the shutters closed inside my mind, leaving the world and the present day behind. I don't need to see who's lying in my bed. I've got your silhouette burned inside my head. I touch your shoulder, but I feel your bones. I'm never with them, I am always alone. With you in a room that doesn't exist, caught in the silver coils of the midnight mist. They speak to me, but I hear your velvet tone. They're just the seeds that your ghost has sown. Every time I close my eyes, it's only you and me. In the dark, I'm fully who I wanna be. I'll shut out the light, I'll shut out the truth, spending my nights in the shadows of my youth. They're only vessels, avatars of your ghost, the ones I keep close. But you're the one I love the most. Yeah, I do it with my eyes closed. The way you smile like a barrel mask, fulfilling the only lonely little task of keeping the cold from reaching my soul. Why you're the fire inside of control. I don't see their faces, I don't know their names. They're just players in a private haunted game. Just an avatar, just a ghost of you. Close my on the kitchen table. Beside the note, "You'll never eat the house," was too quiet. And the memories, they were getting too loud. It's 3 a.m., just me, the rain, and 300 miles of black ink ahead. I'm not running away. I'm just finally moving. Midnight blue on a rainy glass, watching the ghosts of the city pass. The dashboard glow is my only friend. On a highway ribbon that'll never end. I can smell the diesel and the damp wet earth, calculating what this freedom's worth. The wipers on my steady low refrain, trying to wash away the winter grain. I see your shadow in the rear view light, but I'm turning corners in the dead of night. No more questions, and no more lies, just the open road and the stormy skies. When I'm driving on the edge of a quite what it seems. Between the